That wasn't a surprise to us, but we do have to take into account that the market is pricing in 6 cuts this year. And as early as late December last year, they were pricing in that the first cut would come in March. So which I think prompted the Fed chair to push back on the March cut in the 60-minute show that you just alluded to. I mean, the Fed really doesn't need to be in a rush to cut rates because the economy is so robust. You know, why risk potentially causing inflation to reaccelerate? So I think that's what his thinking was, and our base case is that probably come June they'll start to think about cutting rates.
All right, how aggressive is the cycle going to be, do you think, especially now we've had that red-hot jobs print?
Yeah, the January jobs report was significantly above people's expectations, including our own, to be fair. But there are some seasonal factors that go into it, done by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, but we can't deny that that number was very strong. December and November was also revised up. And this is also confirmed by other economic data like the ISM Manufacturing Survey, which saw some reacceleration recently. I wonder, though, if this had something to do with the tremendous loosening in financial conditions that we saw post the Fed dovish pivot in November that caused everything to rally, rates to rally, risk assets to rally. And I think that's rekindled some animal spirits in the U.S. economy, which may be partially responsible for the strong job numbers we had last Friday.
All right. I mean, as you mentioned, markets looking for 6 cuts. What do you reckon, though? What's the House view now?
The House view is that we think we probably are looking at 4 cuts, so 25 basis points each, starting in June. And but you know, it depends on how the economy does. If the economy, what Powell just said, causes a tightening of financial conditions, then I think the economy may not be as strong as we enter into the second half of this year, and then maybe they have to cut a little bit more. But our base case for now, given the strong economic momentum that we're seeing, is that 4 cuts starting in June.
Okay, 4 cuts starting in June, so 25 times 4, that's 100 basis points.